Yes, we are going to be looking at gas laws, and we looked at Charles' law previously. Today we're going to be looking at Boyles' law. We're going to be looking at what?
Boyles law.
And Boyles' law simply states that what? What's the statement of Boyles' law?
At a constant temperature, the volume of the given mass of the gas is inversely proportional to the pressure.
Good. At a constant what? Temperature. Very, very important. The volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to its what? Pressure. This is unlike what we saw in Charles' law that states that at a constant what? No, Charles' law what? At a constant what? Pressure. You understand?
Yes.
The volume is directly proportional to the what? Temperature. It was a direct proportionality. But here we're looking at inverse. And we say that whenever you have inverse, you say V is inversely proportional to 1 over what?
P.
1 over P. So V is directly proportional to 1 over P, but inversely proportional to what? P. Is that clear?
Yes.
If you want to remove the inverse proportionality sign, you introduce what we call constant K.
Yes.
And change it to equal to, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if you cross multiply, you have VP to be equal to K, or PV to be equal to what? K.
K.
You are removing this and equating, you have P1 V1 equal to what?
P2
V2. So this is the mathematical expression for what? Boyles law. And Boyles law states that at constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the what?
Pressure.
And that is represented like this. I told you once there is direct proportionality, it has to move like this, is it not?
Yes.
But if it's inversely proportional, it has to move like this.
Yes.
And this is volume inversely proportional to what? Pressure in atmosphere, volume in liters. Then if you now, instead of having volume, you have 1 over volume, it will not be like as if it's a proportional relation. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then if you take PV and plot against either P or V, you have a graph like this. So in exams, they are going to ask you, which of the following graph represents Boyles law? You understand? If they give any of these 3, all of them represents what? Boyles law. Is that clear?
Yes.
So you have to be careful. And this is the mathematical representation. Now we're going to take an example, and it says, consider a gas cylinder of 50 liters of oxygen. If the pressure of the gas is 15.7 atm at 21 degrees Celsius, what is the volume of the oxygen? What volume can the oxygen get from the cylinder at 21 degrees Celsius if the atm pressure is 1 atm? You see that the two temperatures are constant. And when you have constant temperature, the two temperatures are the same. So when you have constant temperature, we are talking about what law? What law? Where's my marker? So let's solve this. So what is given here? 50 liters. This is what? V1 equal to what? 50. Is that clear?
Yes.
Check. The next thing is given is what? 15 atm. That is what? P1 equal to what? 15.7 atm. You understand?
Yes.
Then what is also given? P2
equals to 1.0
atm. So we are now supposed to find what? V2. You understand?
Yes.
Now using this formula, you have that P1 V1 equal to what? P2 V2. What is P1? 15.7 times. What is V1? 50 equals to what is P2? 1. What is V2? Unknown. So make V2 the subject. You have V2 equal to, you have this 15.7 times 50 all over 1. So what would that give you? 15.7 times 50 divided by 1. What will it give you? That is our answer in liters. Press the calculator very fast. 15.7 times 50.
758.
758 liters. Is that?
Yes.
Good. So that is the answer. 758 liters. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that's how you solve. Once you're given a problem to solve, list what was given. Can you see the way I listed what was given?
Yes, sir.
Things that we are given. V1, they gave it as what? 50. P1, they gave it as 15.7. P2, they gave it as what? 1.0 atm. And V2 is what? Unknown. So you place the formula P1 V1 equal to what? P2 V2. Then you place what you have already. Make this the subject, it will be cross multiply. So that you have this over 1, so you have this. So this is the final answer. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's how you solve for Boyles law. Boyles law states that as constant temperature, the what? The volume of a given mass of a gas is what? Inversely proportional to the what? Pressure. Is that clear?
Yes,
And
sir.
this is the mathematical relation P1 V1 equal to P2 P2. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
any of these graph represents it. You can use this, or this. So please, if you like this, so click on the subscribe button, share. Thank you. God bless you.